Hi guys, once again I'm back. So today I'm sharing with you a new amazing project. Here you can earn up to $100 to $1,000. Yes, of course you can easily earn money without any effort. So you just follow me and follow my instructions. So first of all, you can just read the this project, the domain name, and also this project. This is a DAISO project. So here in this project you can easily earn the money without any effort. You just do anything. So here the small all of these businesses, like you can take my toes, and also a lot of hair companies are also supporting. You can see that, and also after that how you can earn the money I will share with you, and you will also like deposit the money, and you will also get the reward the money, and I will also teach you how can you get the withdraw, how will you deposit the money. So first of all, if when you will click here the like example for new order, so when you will click here the new order, so you can here see that I have just no orders pending, no pending, completed, cancel. Yet I have no completed order, not yet. I'm just that in fresher. So then you just click here grab. Here you see the grab options. When you will hit grab options, so you can see that I have 300 USD balance and a commission rate. If you can see that I have no commissions, no order completed, no cancel. So in the starting point I will teach you how can you upgrade your account, and how can you automate grab, and how can you earn the money with very few steps. So in the starting you must to notice that first of all you need to deposit the money. Like you want to click here, and you just want to click here, and you will also choose your which type of your address you want. Like if you want to the USD, you can click next, and you can just deposit like what amount of you want to deposit. Like if you want to like according to me 300, if you want to 1000, if you want to 5,000. So it depend upon you. Just click here, like for example I'm just here, and then click address, and you just click address, and then you just put here how much you may just put here your address, and after that you just put here your images, and then you confirm your order, and then you will obviously you will your transaction will put, and after that you will easily earn the money. So in the starting I will show you, and here you can see the dashboard. Here you all about your account, like personal info, order record, and account details, and also team reports, announcement, friend invitation. So it's all about depend upon you how can you see your accounts, and so etc etc. So now we gonna start the video, and I will teach you how can you earn the money. You just click on the grab options. Here you can see that we have grab options. When you will click the grab options, so if you have don't balance, so then you will never be earn the money because it's in the starting point you must be in the enough money. So then after that you can just click here automatic grab, and then we will click here automatic grab. So you will receive the order like this after the countdown. When it will be countdown, so here you can see that it will be continue, and after that exclusive channels. So here you can see that I have received the order 32 USD, and you can see that in my commission rate also here 0.07, and estimate return you can see that 32. It means that in this order I have earned up to 2000 plus. So just I will click here submit. So you also just click here submit. After that you can click here submit. So listen me, when you will click here submit, so you can just see that I have earned 0.07 commissions, and also you can see that I have completed the $1. So it means 1 USD. One completed order. So after then you can continuously click on the grab options. So I will then click on the grab option, so it will be continuity again and again. So listen that after that you can see that, and it will be continue, and my new order will be coming. So here you can see that, and my new order has been coming. Then I will click submit. So I will continue this process again and again. So guys, here you can see that I have just completed 10 orders, and also you can see that, and I have earned 1.18 USD commissions rate, and you can also see me know my check balance. So you can just do this process and also earn the money lot of you can just also like this process. You after that you will know I will show you how can you earn withdraw the process. So you just clear here check on my account. When you will here so you will get here the personal record. So have order record. When you will click here, so we will click here, so you can see that I have the completed a lot of orders, and you can see that my commission rates, and also like a lot of these things. And also you can see check the pendings, and also you can check the completed, and also you can check the here I have no completed, and so I have a lot of completed, so no cancel order, no pending order. So obviously do these things, and also you can earn the money by this process. After that I will click my order. So when you will click here, and so now I will show you how can you get the withdraw. So after that you just click here, and also you just click here and withdraw options. So when you will click here, you have not set the payment password and cannot connect with the, do you want to set the payment password? No. Yes, confirm. When you click here, and you need to set the transaction password. You also set your password, which type of password you want, like if you want 1122, like for example I will just teach you. I'm just adding this my password, and successfully my password has been added. Now I will add my withdraw method. So I'm just here adding my withdraw method, and also I will use my USDT TRC20 address. So you just use the like a lot of these applications. If you have Binance applications, so if you have on private wallet, so it depends upon you which type of wallet you also need, and which type of wallet you also like for example depend upon you. So I'm just here clear, and also I'm just here, and I'll just set USDT, and also I will just click here deposit, and I will just TRC20 address. I'll just copy the TRC20 address, and I will just put this address here, and I also you know that fill my also name and my email, my phone numbers, and also my address, and also my code. So I'm just putting here all like these things, and also I will share with you how can you do it. So after putting like this address, you just click here your password, like I'm just putting my password. So oh my god, okay, I'm just putting again. So now can you see that I have just put my all address, and after that I will just click here submit. When I will click here submit, so you can see that my address has been submitted successfully. I have like this address, and you can see that. So now I'm just going to back, and after that you will click here, and your address will be obviously added in the few seconds. So now you can just click here again withdraw request. When you will click here again withdraw request, your address has been added, and you can see that order I have completed 10, and you can see that I just have 35 orders in a day. So you can make commission rates and also transaction password. When I will click here, and after that you just click here confirm. So please input a recharge amount, how much amount you have withdraw. I'm just clicking here for like for example I'm just click here for 25 or like for 50. So it depend upon you how much you do like want to get. Like I am just for 25, so not completing the daily order. So just you will click the complete the lot of orders. So when you will complete the lot of order like all these orders, so then you will be able to get the withdraw. So now we will come again back, and now we will complete the order lot of all these order again. Now guys, I have just completed my like all of these orders, and I'm just clicking here grab no options. So here you can see that my commission 8.52 USD dollars per day, and I have completed 35 USD dollar and my available balance. So you can just click here my, and also I'm just clicking here and just clicking here for withdraw, and when I will click here you can see that number of withdraw today I have just one orders. So you can see that I have selected like all of these. So my balance you can check here, and now I have completed all of these orders. So I'm playing here like for example for 50 USDT or for 100 USDT. So it depends upon you how much withdraw you want to get. So for example I just want to get 50 USDT. So I will just putting here my you know that just code this password, and after that I will just click here for confirm. Yes, you can see that submit successfully. My withdraw has been successfully submitted. So after a few minutes your withdraw will be added in your account, like in Binance account, in Binance wallet. So in which wallet are you using? So like this process you are using this method, and after that you will use this method, and you will earn the money more and more per day. So now after that you will just click here friend invitations, like friend invitations. So when you will click here friend invitations, so just you can share with your just copy link with friends, referral link with friends. So and after that you just click here with friends, and you just send her with him, and after this process you just will earn the money lot of. So No, you can see that here the you also have a team reports and just like a lot of these. So your total balance, scram, team cash flow, team deposits. So from this method you just also earn the money in free of cost, and you will also get the reward, and you will also get the withdraw. So by this process you just easily earn the money with this method and with this process. So guys, in this video I will teach you how to get the withdraw, how to earn the money, and how you just everything. So here you have a lot of this process. So if you have any questions, so you just let down, put on in the comment box and box. So I will also guide you properly, and I will show with you how can you easily earn the money. So I will just notify you before starting like adding the money. So just get more information about this website, because this is a promotion video for you. So I hope you will get the right point what I am saying. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.